So guys, if you want to reduce the large pores on your face or any part of your body, one very great home remedy you can use is your apple cider vinegar. I'm using the Bragg apple cider vinegar with the mother. This one is very organic and this one is very good for you. You basically need only your apple cider vinegar and some water to do this. Why does apple cider vinegar work? Apple cider vinegar helps to cleanse the skin. It reduces the pores on the skin. It tightens your skin, thereby decreasing the size of the pores on your skin. It also helps to reduce inflammation on the skin. Apple cider vinegar has so many great uses. I can't expatiate this enough. Even if you've got pimples or acne on your face, if you apply apple cider vinegar, it will completely go. If you also have dark marks on your face and you apply apple cider vinegar to your face, it will eliminate the dark marks, the dark spots on your face. So I'm just going to give my apple cider vinegar a very good shake because it will have been concentrated at the bottom. I need it to spread out evenly before you apply this or before you get this out of the bottle. I'm just going to take a tablespoon for the sake of this video, but if you're at home you can mix more so that you don't have to mix it every time. So this is just to explain to you that when you take like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, you also go with a tablespoon of water. You have to dilute it, please. Never apply apple cider vinegar on your face like that. It's going to burn. I can bet you it's going to burn. So this is it. When it's diluted, it's still very effective. This is it. You have to dilute it 50-50. So let's say you use, even if you're trying to mix a lot, let's say for example you get a cup of apple cider vinegar, you have to mix with a cup of water. You can alternatively use honey, but just make sure that whatever measurements you use, if you use a cup of this water, if you use a cup of this apple cider vinegar, make sure you dilute with a cup of water as well. Whatever you do, make sure you do the same thing, just replicate it. So we have our mixture ready. It's as simple as that. I've told you many uses that apple cider is great for, and you just apply it on your skin. So guys, so I have the apple cider vinegar and the water here. I'm with a cotton pad. I'm using this cotton pad and I'm just going to apply it all over my face generously. This is very good for tightening and to closing pores on the face. Like I said earlier on, it's also very good to remove dark spots on your face. It's very good for dark marks, to control and to prevent acne on the face, pimples. It's very, very good for you on your face. So basically doing this every night is very good because it's going to tighten your pores and it will leave your skin looking very youthful, rejuvenated, and definitely brighter looking. So that's it guys. You can do this treatment about 3 times a week and to be okay for you. Absolutely do this at night only. You don't need to do this in the morning. You just doing this at night is very okay for you. After you've done this, after you've applied it, I must tell you that the apple cider vinegar stings a little bit. It's already stinging my eyes, but it's okay. It's perfectly normal. That's why I told you that you have to dilute it. If you don't dilute it, it will be worse. So just keep it on your face like so. If you want, you can go to bed with it and wash your face in the morning. But if your skin is extra sensitive, please don't keep it for more than 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off your face. It would have done enough justice by then. It would have done a lot of work by then. So please just wash it off and use your favorite moisturizer. If you want, you can apply a bit of olive oil or some almond oil on your face to moisturize your skin and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please don't keep this video to yourself. Kindly share this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, now is a good time for you to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Stay beautiful. Bye.